Alright, welcome. Today I'll walk you through the most powerful tools inside Higgsfield AI, including image generation, text to video, image to video, and creating videos with precise starting and ending frames. You'll also see advanced video editing, and by editing, I don't mean cutting clips. I mean changing elements inside the shot itself, replacing clothing, altering backgrounds, or transforming a scene from day to night. And of course, I'll show you the biggest feature right now, Cinema Studio. This is currently one of the most advanced tools available for creating true Hollywood-style cinematic shots with full creative control. Higgsfield can do far more than this, but we'll begin with the essential fundamentals before moving into the advanced workflows. Let's start with image generation. For this, you go to Image up here, then you click on Create Image, and then here, you will choose Nano Banana Pro, which is the best image creation tool right now. There is no competitor. This is a fact, not a damn opinion. Alright, let's say we want a sheriff sitting on a chair in front of his office. We type it in here. A sheriff sits on a chair in front of his office. Frontal medium shot. Nano Banana is already selected. Format is fine. We have 2K, 1K, and 4K. Let's take 2K. Here is the batch size. We will leave it at that. One picture is enough. Here we have unlimited and limited. Limited will cost you some credits, but it will generate faster. Unlimited is for free, but it will take a couple of seconds longer. You can ignore draw. Draw is for editing images, which we don't need right now. So let's generate that bad boy. Boom, there you go. Image looks good. Looks realistic. Amazing, right? Simple as that. Now let's try something on top of that. Below the image, you will see this small reference button. If you click on this, it will put the image down here as reference to create our next image. We can now build on top of this. For example, we want another angle of that shot. Let's say move the camera and show me the sheriff from the side and generate. Perfect. We got 2 generated images now. Alright, let's move on. Now text to video. Very simple and straightforward. You click on video on the top, then create video. Here you will see this prompting box right here in which you type what you want to see. So let's type, a sheriff is driving his car. We keep the audio on. You can turn it off if you don't need audio. Here we have our model. Model is like the engine or the brain, which actually does all the job, and every model works differently. Some of them are good for action, some of them are good for acting, some of them are good for animation, and so on. What I prefer is Google Veo or Kling. Okay, let's take Kling for now. Duration 5 seconds is fine, aspect ratio is fine, and let's just generate this bad boy and see what it does. This can take up to 30 to 90 seconds. You can grab a donut during that time. Okay, we got our video. Let's check it out.
Quiet night for patrol. Quiet night for patrol.
It added some voice. I wanted him to shut up, but my bad. I should have typed no talking or no dialogue. Still not bad of a video. For comparison, let's try Veo and Juan too. Let's go with Veo first. You can ignore multi-shot. Every setting is fine. Let's select 4 seconds to shorten the waiting time. Okay, looks better, but it added some nonsense dialogue. They just won't shut up if I don't tell them to. You gotta live with that. I will get better with time. Just like wine. Now let's try Juan, but this time let's type, no talking. See how that works. Boom, generate. Okay, at least nobody is talking. But I don't like it, to be honest. Weird shoulder to head and neck ratio. Feels off. That's why I prefer Kling or Veo. Anyhow. This was text to video. Let's move on to image to video. You can upload an existing image from your hard drive in here, or you can go back where we created the image of the sheriff. Let's click on image and then on create. We see this cool sheriff again. Down below here is a button called Animate. Click on it and it will bring us back to the video creation page. It already inserted the image as our starting frame. Now we just type in what we want him to do. Let's say he stands up, no talking. We don't touch the settings, but you can do whatever you want. And boom, generate. Perfect. Simple as that. It looks damn realistic if you ask me. Now let's add an ending frame. We go back to the image creation page. There is an arrow next to animate. We click on that and select end frame. Now you see it added that image in here as an ending frame. Now this is tricky. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. We will give it a shot. Let's type seamlessly transition between the two shots. Boom, generate. God damn it, that didn't work out well. I guess the duration was too short for a smooth transition, so it did a multi-shot clip. Let's make the shot longer and change the prompt. I asked ChatGPT to give me a better prompt, and this is what it gave me. Camera pushes forward while moving right, passes closely in front of the sheriff, strong foreground parallax from porch pillars, ends aligned exactly with the final frame. Let's see what happens now. All right. Not what I wanted, but still not bad. You get the point, I guess. Still a good scene. Maybe better than what I wanted. Okay, let's move the heck on. Next is editing an existing video. This is pretty simple and straightforward. We click on Edit here, up top, then Edit Video, and it brings us to this. In here, we upload a video we want to edit or change. Let me upload a video I already prepared from the intro. The next box is optional. I could upload some reference pictures in here, like another hat or pants or car or whatever I want to change or add. We leave it empty for now. And in here, I just type in what I want to be changed. Let's say change the clothes to red color and change the background to a city skyline. Boom. Generate. Clothing, altering backgrounds or transforming a scene from day to night. Clothing, altering backgrounds or transforming a scene from day to night. Isn't this amazing, guys? So many people will be jobless soon because of this. Not me. I am just a sheriff protecting the law. Within seconds, it changed the color of my shirt and added another background behind me. Sometimes I still can't believe how easy all this stuff is and how well it works. Higgsfield is amazing. Now let me quickly show you the amazing tool called Cinema Studio. Or you know what? I am an old man. I am just tired now. I will show it to you the next time. Or you just check it out yourself. It is as simple as it gets. You don't need me for this. You can do this on your own, no doubt. Chasing bad guys and explaining AI tools can get a lot out of you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe and don't drink while driving.